Hello students, welcome back to mathematics class. In today's class, let us start a new exercise problem, that is exercise number 4.2, okay, based on two theorems, so that we learned in the last class, okay. So just recall once what are the theorems we learned, okay. So just here, for a circle, we draw a tangent, okay, the tangent to the radius at the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent, as you learned in the last class, right children? So OR is perpendicular to PQ because radius drawn at the point of contact is perpendicular. So tangent is perpendicular to radius, that we learned. Yes children. So then when we join any of the lines like this, okay, so this is a tangent, this is the radius, this forms a hypotenuse. Why children this forms our hypotenuse? Because radius is perpendicular to the tangent, means this triangle is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means this forms 90 degree here. 90 degree opposite side is called as hypotenuse. Okay, so three things we have to find whenever they ask. One is hypotenuse, another is the tangent length, or another third one is radius length. So two things will be given, one thing will be asked. For that sake we need theorem number 1 and 2. Okay, even another theorem we learned that the circle, if there is an external point, how many tangents we can draw to a circle? From an external point, how many tangents can we draw? We can draw only 2 tangents. Okay, so only 2 tangents. Here it is PQ and PR. This length is equal, means in the last class we learned. So external point, the tangents drawn are having equal length. If it is 8 centimeter, even this is 8 centimeter, as we learned in the last class. Right children? So now if I draw here radius joined to this tangent means an angle of how much degree? 90 degree. Right children? Even if I draw another radius here, it makes an angle of how much degree? Say 90 degree, because already learned because of theorem number 1. Yes, now this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree, right? This is called as angle at the radius. Angle at the radius. This is angle at the tangents. Angle inclined at the tangent is called this angle. Okay children, this angle is angle at the radii, angle at the tangent. Their sum is always supplementary. Okay, they are supplementary. Supplementary means their sum is always how much degree? 180 degree. So if it is 100 degree, this is 80 degree. Is it okay? So these all things we learned. So now see here, this four-sided figure comes. Four-sided figure is called as a quadrilateral. Yes, no? Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what? Sum of all the four angles is how much degree? 360 degree. If I add all the angles, its sum is how much degree? 360 degree. See here. 100 plus 90 plus 90. So 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 100, 280. 280 plus 80, 360. So sum of four angles with quadrilateral is 360 degree. These all things we have to see in this exercise. Is it okay? Let us see it now children. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24. Length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. The tangent length is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center is, distance from Q from the center is 25 centimeter. Find the radius. Radius you have to find out. So that means we already learned the first theorem. Using that theorem we have to do this. So see here, draw one circle. Draw the circle. Okay, with center O. Now what happens here? This is the radius, right children? This is the tangent. Tangent touches the circle at one point. Okay, then if I join this, what happens? See, this figure says here, see, from a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 cm. From a point Q, from a somewhere point Q, the length of the tangent, if I take T, okay, so QT is a tangent. Tangent length is given how much? 24 centimeter. Tangent length is 24 centimeter, and the distance of the Q from the center is, distance from the Q from the center is Q to the center. This length, understood children? You have to understand the question properly and then you have to mark the points there. Listen, Q from the center, that means this length is given how much? 25 centimeter. Okay, so then the radius of the circle is, what is the radius here? Radius you have to find out. Okay, out of three things, any two things they will give, the one thing you have to find out. So the radius or the hypotenuse or the tangent, that you have to find out. Okay, now already you know from the theorem that QT is perpendicular to TQ. So tangent to the radius is an angle of how much degree? 90 degrees. So perpendicular means this is right angle triangle. Is it so? So please write down what is given in the problem, so that it's very easy to solve the problems. Okay, now what you don't know children, radius, you don't know what is given in the problem, just write it. Okay, so they have given the length OQ. This is a 1 mark question, no? 1 mark question, multiple choice. So you have to find the answer quickly. Okay, so OQ is 25 centimeter. Then QT is equal to 24 centimeter. So what you don't know, OT is called as radius. Radius you have to find out. Okay, so now you already know that TQ is a tangent. Okay, so here TQ is a tangent. QT or TQ. QT is a tangent. If it is a tangent is QT is perpendicular to OT. Yes, children. For the radius, it is perpendicular. Or you can write here OT is, therefore OT is perpendicular to OQ. Sorry, T. OT is perpendicular to TQ because TQ acts as a tangent here. Yes, now this is a tangent. Radius drawn at the point of contact is perpendicular. So because of perpendicular, says that this triangle is a right angle triangle. So you will write here triangle OPQ. Okay, angle T is equal to how much degree? 90 degree. Because of this, right? Angle T is 90 degree. Whereas there is a right angle triangle, to find the third side, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, let us use Pythagoras theorem now. So by Pythagoras, what is there Pythagoras? 90 degree front side is called as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of other two squares. Okay, OQ square is equal to OT square plus QT square or PQ square. Can I write down here? So OQ square is equal to OT square plus TQ or QT square. Okay, now find the radius through this Pythagoras theorem. OQ is how much children? OQ 25. 25 whole square is equal to OT radius, and I don't know radius square, QT 24 square. 24 square. 25 is 625 is equal to R square plus 24 is 576. 576. Yes, children, you have to learn the square numbers properly. Now, So 625 minus 576. How much? 5 minus 6 can't do. 15 minus 6. 9. 1. So here cut this right 11. Minus 7. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4. 49 comes. Okay. The bigger number sign is plus. 49 is equal to r square. Okay. I want 49 is equal to r square. I want r is equal to radius. R is equal to square goes, square root comes. Square root of 49. Actually children, there is a plus or minus, but radius cannot be negative. So we cannot write negative sign there. So it's a plus sign. Okay. So you have to write here radius is equal to square root of 49. What is radius then? Square root of 49 is how much? 7. So what is the answer? 7 centimeter. So the radius is 7 centimeter. So this is 25, 24 and 7 forms a Pythagorean triplet. So 25, 24, 7 is called a Pythagorean triplet. Is it okay? For example, they may ask 1 mark. So within this, which is Pythagorean triplet? Triplet means the left hand side is equal to right hand side should come. Such numbers are there also, it is called triplets. Is it okay now? 25, 24 and 7 is a Pythagorean triplet. But for fixed square will be there for that. Okay children? So now after learning this, let us move to next problem. See children? So TP and TQ. TP and TQ are the tangents. Now the figure is given here. Draw everyone. So the figure is like this. Okay, O, P, T and Q. This angle is 110 degree. Okay, so what you have to find out, read the question properly once again. TP and TQ are the two tangents. See here, TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with the center O. So that angle POQ. How much degree? 110 degree. Okay, then PTQ you have to find out. Where is PTQ children? PTQ is T angle we have to find out. How can we find the value of T there? Okay, so how to find out children? As I already said, to find out this angle given this angle to find out, we can use one method. So using the quadrilateral. Already I explained you, sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is how much a degree? 360 degree. Okay, so to find the value of T here, angle T here, we can use that idea and do it. Okay, so how means I'll explain here. Here, OP is perpendicular to TP. Yes or no children? Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. That I already know because of theorem. This is 90 degree. Even radius perpendicular to the tangent. This angle also you know. This you know, this angle you know, third angle you know. Easily we can find out fourth angle by using quadrilateral property. Yes children? So, some angle is some property of quadrilateral. Since you have right here, T, P, O, Q is a quadrilateral. Okay children? Can I write now there? You have right here. You know already. So, TP and TQ are the tangents. If they are tangents to the radius, they are perpendicular. Right children? So, you have to write TP and TQ are the tangents. Okay, so then what we can write? OP is perpendicular to TP and even OQ is perpendicular to TQ. OQ is perpendicular to TP. Yes, OQ is perpendicular to TP. You have to find out. So what is given? POQ, angle POQ is equal to 110 degree. So this much. Okay, given. See here this you have to find out. Shall we find out this, children? Using the property of quadrilateral. Please write down TPOQ is a quadrilateral. Okay? So you have to write here TPOQ is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral property or sum of all the four angles is equal to 360 degrees. So write how to write angles here. Angle OPT, P angle in the middle. Angle PTQ, angle TQP, sorry, TQO plus QOP. If you add all the four angles, its sum is how much degree? 360 degrees. So how to add once again, say children? OPT plus PTQ plus TQO plus QOP is equal to 360 degree. Can I take now there? See, listen here. First what to take? See here. Angle OPT plus angle PTQ plus PTQ plus angle TQO. Okay, then angle POQ is equal to 360 degree. This is called as angle sum property. Sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, called as angle sum property. Angle sum property. Angle sum property says this. Yes, the children of quadrilateral. Okay, angle sum property of quadrilateral. Now, what is OPT? P angle is how much degree? 90 degree. Plus T angle is how much degree? Don't know. Plus Q angle is how much degree? 90. O angle is how much degree? Already we mentioned O angle is 110 degree. Is equal to 360 degree. Now what you have to do, see here, add this and this. Add it. Okay, 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 110. Okay, it is 290. Right, children? So add it all. Add it. So 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 110. It is 290. So angle PTQ I don't know, but I know these three angles. Add it. 290 is equal to 360. So now this side number and that side number is please take it to same side. Okay, so what is the angle of PTQ? PTQ is equal to 360 plus 290 going that side minus 290. Subtract it how much? 0 minus 0. 0. 6 minus 9. I don't know. So cut it right there. 16 minus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much? 7. 7. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So what is the answer here? Angle PTQ is equal to 70 degree. So what is this angle? This angle is 70 degree. Is it okay? Now through this one thing you can understand, children. Angle at the radius and angle inclined at the tangent makes an angle 180 degree. Sum of these two angles is how much degree? 180 degree. They are supplementary. Okay, so that means what they said, you know, POQ, this O angle, and PTQ is equal to how much degree? 180 degree, children. Always you have to understand that one angle is here given. This angle is it's supplementary. Means supplementary means total sum is how much degree? 180 degree. Okay, so this is 1 mark question. You can write it directly for the examination. But if they give for 2 mark, you you have to work out this. That's why I shown the method. Is it okay? All of you understand that sum of these two angles is supplementary. They are supplementary. Okay, sum of two angles is 180 degree. You have to understand their angle is 180 degree. So if it is 100 degree, this is 80 degree. Yes, no? Yes, no children. So if it is 120 degree, this is 60 degree. You can assume it and it can write if you know the method like this. Is it okay? So that's all about this problem. Hope you all understood. Write it in your maths class book. Okay. So now let us move to next problem. If tangents PA and BB from a point P to a circle with the center O, means what should I draw? Draw a circle with the center O. Okay. So the center O, PA and BB are the tangents from an external point. Two tangents when to draw from the external point. Yes, children. One external point is there is your thing. So two angles, two tangents can be drawn. So what is tangent? The equal tangents PA and PB. PA and PB. PA and PB are the two tangents to a circle from the point P with center O are inclined to each other at an angle of how much degree? 80 degree. Inclined angle is how much degree? 80 degree. So this angle is 80 degree. Okay. So this angle is 80 degree. Which angle you have to find out? Then find angle POA. Where is POA? POA. Oh. See here POA. There is no connection at all. You have to form a connection here. So let us draw like this. Okay. So this POA. No, again no connection means you have to join this. Okay, so you have to join this line. You have to find out POA. POA means this angle. Only you have to find out. What is the angle? What is the answer of that angle? We already learned from an external point, two tangents can be drawn. Yes, children, two tangents can be drawn. Then how the two tangents are equal? In the theorem number 2 you learned. That idea we have to bring here. Is it okay? That idea we have to bring here. Let us bring that now. See here. The previous problem how you did, same method here you have to follow. Because this angle I know, angle at inclined at the tangent I know. You have to find out angle at the center first. Without knowing this full angle, its half angle is not possible to find. Understood, children? So this is 80 means you know how much is this. Yes, you are right. You are 100 degree. But 100 degree how comes? That we have to do and show. Yes, children. The idea of quadrilateral we can do once again. Okay, otherwise you have right. Angle at the center and angle at the tangent is supplementary. 180 degree. So you immediately can write here 100 degree. But 100 degree is a full angle. They didn't ask me full angle. They asked me half angle how much means. For that sake, we have to find out how much is full angle. After that, we have to find out the half angle. So let us find out it now. See here, how can we do that? So only thing I know is that is this angle is 80 degree. So you write what is given there. We have write PA and PB are the tangents. Okay, at point A and B respectively. At the point A and B respectively. Now you know already then. If they are tangent, the radius drawn is perpendicular to the tangents. This angle is how much degree? 90 degree. Right? So you can write here OA is perpendicular to PA. Okay, even OB is perpendicular to PB. With the tangent, the radius is always right angle. Yes, children. All three angles I know. This and this. Can we find out this by using angle sum property of quadrilateral? Once again, same thing I will repeat the previous problem. Okay, so please write down here. OAP is a quadrilateral. Is a quadrilateral. If it is a quadrilateral, what is the sum of all four angles? 360 degree. How to read all the four angles, children? OAP, angle OAP plus angle ABB plus angle BBO plus angle AOB is equal to 360 degree. Same method once again, right? Angle OAP plus angle ABB plus angle PBO plus angle AOB is equal to 360 degree. This is called an angle sum property. ASK means what? Angle sum property. Now, A angle is how much degree? 90 degree. Plus B angle is 80 degree. Plus B angle is 90 degree. Plus O angle is not known. As easier, right? Is equal to 360 degree. Add it, children, now. Add it. 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 80. How much? How much? 260, right? 180 plus 80, 260. Right here, add it. Angle is 260 degree. Plus angle AOB is equal to 360. I want angle AOB. Angle AOB is equal to 360. Plus 260 going that side. Minus 260. 360 minus 260. 100 degree. What is angle AOB? AOB is equal to 100 degrees. So I got full angle as 100 degrees. This is supplementary. Yes, children. So fourth angle easily can find out by using angle sum property of quadrilateral. But I don't want that full angle. I need its half angle. So half angle, how can I get? See it? POA. So let us form a connection now. POA. Okay. So see, full angle became its half. But half means how I know, children? Half means how I know? I know because of second theorem. Because I proved second theorem is that only. Yes, second theorem, to get half of this, half of 100, how much means I have to find out. But directly we cannot find out. First you have to say these two triangles are congruent. OBP. Okay, so they are congruent means I have to prove. Otherwise I cannot find how much angle is for this. So take a main triangle, triangle OAP and triangle OBP. Congruent is already proved in the theorem number 2. Explain once again, children. See, what is that? See, in triangle this and triangle this, what all things similar, same way. Okay, see here. OA is equal to OB. OA in this triangle, OB in this triangle. They are radius. Right? So, OA is equal to OB. Radii of a circle. Then this side is equal to this side over. Yes, this angle is how much degree? 90 degree. Even this angle is 90 degree. Both are right angle triangles. So angle OAP is equal to angle OBP is equal to 90 degree. Because radius is perpendicular. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Radius perpendicular to the tangent. One more thing equal to is that OP is common to both these sides. Yes or no, children? OP is equal to OP. This is a common sign. Common sign. Because of these three things. Okay, this is 90 degree. 90 degree front is hypotenuse. Because of this, these two triangles are congruent. If they are congruent, because of which postulate or theorem, RHS theorem. RHS theorem. Yes, no children? RHS theorem. Right hand side theorem. Right? Hypotenuse side theorem. Is it okay? So this one is hypotenuse. Because of that, RHS theorem comes there. Okay. Because of this, all things equal I said yesterday. Yes, no children? See here, PA is equal to PB. They are equal. Then angle POA is equal to angle POB. POA in this triangle, POB in this triangle, they are also equal. Even this is this angle OPA, OPB, they are also equal. All becomes relative there. So we can be write here angle POA. I want to know that angle POA is equal to angle POB. This is CPCP. CPCP. Okay. So through this, what we can understand is POA is 50 degrees. POB also 50 degree or not? Yes, because they are equal length, children. Because of corresponding part of the congruent triangle. When the triangle become congruent, its corresponding parts are also equal. So because of these two lengths are equal, full length is 100 means what this length and what this length. Can anyone say? POA is equal to POB means POA is 50 means POB also 50. Exact half it becomes. Is it okay? Exact half it becomes means what can we write? Therefore, we can write angle POA. I want it, right? Angle POA is half of angle AOB. Full angle 100. It's half now, that is children. So POA, AOB. So POA is half of AOB. Okay, what is AOB angle, children? AOB is how much degree? AOB is 100 degree. Already I got it now. AOB is 100 degree. What is half of 100? That is 50 degree. So what is angle POA? Angle POA is equal to 50 degree. So this is 50. This is 50. Makes 100 degree. Okay. Okay, children, how to understand? So this line, if 1K piece is there, is exactly cut means that half and this half means how equal comes. Same method here also. This is 100 means this is 50, even this is 50. Here it is 80 means this is 40, even this is 40. These are all the clues given to understand the multiple choice question. For exam, immediately they will ask the question. How to understand because of this. Is it okay? Need not do the methods to give the answer for 1 mark. Fill in the blanks. If you know this knowledge is enough. If they ask for 2 marks, you have to do all these methods. Okay? So you all understood the matter. This is 100 means this is 50, this is 50. This is 80 means this is 40, this is 40. Because of this theorem we learned in theorem number 2. Okay, so that's all about this sum. So hope you all understood. In the next class, let us move and do with some more problems of circles. Till then, take care. Thank you.